Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm showing you today is a Stampin' Up kit. So these kits are available online and there will be a link down below where you can purchase them. There's lots of different kits and I've done a few videos of the kits that I have, and I've enjoyed putting them together, and it's given me some really good ideas for things I can do with my other craft supplies, so I'm really pleased I got them. So this one here, I've actually made up the cards already, so I'm going to take those out to start off with, and then we'll go through what's in this particular kit. Right, so you have your instructions. So this is all about Wellington boots, and today's weather has been one of those Wellington boot days, but it's also been sunny, so not quite sure what to do. Now we have some actual cards, pre-scored cards. These are just the basic white ones. You have your Stampin' Dimensionals, your stamp dots. There's some like clear resin little dots as well, like raindrops in there with some twine. Then you have your stamp set. So this stamp set says, "Let love grow. No matter the weather, we're in this together. Wishing you a brighter days ahead." Got some raindrops, a flower, a couple of 3 hearts. We've got some like puddle type things. I think that's a brickwork, that one. You are capable of amazing things, and some clouds. So that is the stamp set that comes in the kit. We have a stamping spot, which is a basic grey. You have your block, and then we have the envelopes and all the dies to go with it. So you have all the envelopes, and there's different colours on the inside of the envelopes, so they're not just plain boring white envelopes, which is nice. And then here we have the pre-printed cards that you'll be stamping on or sticking your dies to. Go. And here are the dies. So you've got a bunch of Wellington boots, a bunny, and if anybody that knows me personally, you'll know we have a rabbit who lives in the house. Then we have some Wellington boots with flowers in, with daffodils, some more Wellington boots and some pretty flowers there. So we have a few sheets of those. This one I've already used. I've just got the hearts that I haven't used, and then we have some labels for you to stamp on and some circles. So that's what's in the kit, and these are the cards that you can make. So you have the Wellington boots with the daffodils in and the bunny, and then you've got the Let Love Grow, some twine, some baker's twine in the white and a little heart. This one you're stamping the clouds, and then you're raising up the flowers. You've got the Wellington boot, and then you're stamping the sentiment on the little circle, and then you're tying the twine around the Wellington boot. And the final card is this one here, where you've got all the Wellington boots, and you've got they're raised up, and then in the background you've got the rain, and you've got the muddy puddles as well, and then you've got your twine and your sentiment. So this is the No Matter the Weather card kit. So you've got full colour instructions, and I think I didn't use some of the resin dots on mine and a couple of other things, so you'll be able to use all the things that it's showing you. So yeah, that is the No Matter the Weather card kit. I'm loving the size of the cards. In the different kits we've had different size cards, and these are your standard size cards, so you can make nice nice cards with them. And don't be afraid to swap out your sentiments. So if you've got a happy birthday stamp, put the happy birthday stamp in and just change things around. As I say, this is what it shows you in the instructions, how to put them together. But once you put one together, then you can quite happily change things around to suit the occasion that you require. So yeah, that'll be that's always a really good idea. Now, when you're watching this in July, we have a 15% sale on selected design series papers in our annual catalogue. If you don't have a catalogue, then please drop me an email with your address and I will happily put one in the post. So as I say, there's quite a selection of the design series papers that's 15% off, and there's probably a video a little while ago where I show a birthday book, and I'm showing a few of the papers that you'll be able to purchase at the discount. The other thing that I was showing is my picker tool. So throughout the these videos that I've been showing with the kits, I've been using this particular tool. So I'm just going to remove this brush because that isn't something that normally comes, that's a separate purchase. So I'm just going to, so we have the pointy end and then turn it round, and then we have like a spatula end. On this end it has some little bits of putty, so that's ideal for when you're picking up jewels. And then you can remove that end, and then we have the stylus for the scoring. So you have a small bobble end and then you have a bigger bobble, and they just slot in there, and there you go. So that is the Stampin' Up! Picker tool. Now if you have got a die machine and you would like to purchase the brush, then this you purchase this separately, and then this just fits on the end. So I've normally got my brush on there, and then you use this to brush over your dies to get all the little bits out out of either the dies or the shapes. So this has been a great tool, especially for using to pick up the dots, these sort of dots, and the jewels as well, to put on the kits. So I've been making use of this particular tool quite a lot, so I'll put a link below for this tool, and then you'll be able to purchase it if you want to when you purchase some of the kits. Now the kits, once they've sold out, they won't be back in stock, but they will be putting new kits on there, so you'll just have to keep looking out to see what kits are actually available. But I've just been showing you a selection over the past week or so, just to give you an idea of what's actually in the kits. So right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video, and I'll put everything in the links below, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.